Here's how to create a talking avatar just like the one you're watching now with absolutely free. All you need to do is to follow the basic steps in this video and watch till the end.
The first thing you need to do when creating an avatar talking video like this, first of all, you need to get temporary email. It's advisable always get temporary email because you'll be using them a lot. So this is temporary email. Everything I'll be using here, I'm going to use temporary email for them. So the first thing I need to do is to create an account. I've already created an account. After creating an account, I'll move on to leonardo.ai.com. Leonardo AI. So this is Leonardo AI. If you haven't registered with your temporary email. It's very straightforward and easy to use. So once you open it, they are going to give you 150 credits daily. So you'll be given credits daily. So now, having done that, I want to create an image. What will I do? I'll click on image creation. So this is it. So for most time, your home may be on this legacy. It may not be on this legacy mode, but I've turned my own to be on legacy mode just for me to use lesser credits. If I should create 4 credits and 4 image now, I'll be charged 6 credits. And after I've exhausted my credit, I can open another account or wait till tomorrow to create more. My account will be recharged again by tomorrow. So now, without wasting much of our time, I'll have to put in my image prompt here. I think I have it here. So I'll copy my image prompt. You understand? I'll copy it, then I'll head to this place. I'll paste it. I'll be putting this image prompt in the comment section below. So I'll click on, before clicking on create, there are some little things I want to tweak here. You understand? So I want to tweak the uniform. I'm 25 years old American female speaker, confidence stating behind her, 25 years old. So now, having done that, I'll come to this panel below. I want to change the ratio. So the ratio is 16:19. I want to use it for YouTube. Then also numbers of creation. I might decide to, numbers of image to create at once. I might use 1, 2, 3, or 4. So I'm using 4. I haven't done that. I'll click on create. So I'm going to click on create, and it's going to generate for me. So you see, it's generating already. So let's wait for it to get done. So I haven't done that. Then we'll upscale it. We'll get everything done perfectly. So let's wait for the image generation. You can use any other image generation platform. Pixelume is there, Ideogram is there, you understand. So now I think this is okay. I like this one or this. So let's say I want to go for this. I've just click on download. So once I click on download, it's going to download to my this thing is downloading already. So that is the first step. The second step is majority would like to upscale this image. Some will still leave it like that. If you want to use it like that, you can use it, and if you want to upscale it, you can upscale it. So I'll go to create.ai. You see it. So I've already registered. I use my temporary email. So what will I do? I'll click on, I'll drag my image here to upscale. I'll just drag it and drop here. So now it's uploading. After the uploading is done, I will upscale it. So I'm going to upscale it. You see, enhance 2x is okay. I'll click on enhance. So once I click on the enhance, you see it there. It's going to enhance. Then having done that, I'm going to download it. So let's wait for it to get enhanced. So it's loading. It may take a few minutes, but it's not up to a minute. It will be done now. You see it. So that is the second step. We'll generate image. We enhance the image. You might decide to leave the image. You might decide to leave it that way. You can decide to enhance it. You see it. So now this is the old result, the downloaded one, and this is the enhanced image. You can see the difference. You see it. You can see this one is a little bit dull, and this we brought it to the light. Then I will just click on download it. Download. So that is that. It's going to download now. After downloading, it's going to download. I will head to the next website, which is called dumpdub.com. You register as well. Make sure you register. And once you register, you'll be given 10 credits. 10 credits. You understand? You'll be given 10 credits, and with that credit, you can use it to create whatever you want to create. You understand? I think my network here is a little bit slow. That's why the thing is here to download. So we use what's it called? It's downloading, as you can see. So now this is the dump.com register. Use temporary email because you may want to keep using it, and to get something like that you need to use temporary email. So what will I need to do? I'll go to AI avatar. You see, I'll go to AI avatar. So from the AI avatar, I'll be asked to upload. I'll be asked to upload the image I want to use for the avatar. You understand? So upload the image. I think I can just drag it here. Let me see if I can drag it. I can't. So now I'll click on upload. So after uploading, you see, I'll select it, then open. So it's been upload. Start uploading now. Now I want to show us two things here. In this area, two things involved. You might decide to want, you might want to use their, what's it called, their text to AI voiceover. You might want to use it, and you can decide to upload your own voiceover. So with this now, I'll be showing you where to get free voiceover. 11 Lab is a little bit expensive, and we can use another website called this is it open ttsopen.ai ttsopenai.com. You can see it. All website used in this video will be dropped in the comment section, don't worry. So now I have the text I just want to use, so I'll copy this text now. I'll copy it, then I'll paste it here. You can use your temporary email to open this as well. So now this plate, you can filter system voices. This is the system voices. You can filter them. Let's say I want to reset it, so it should be reset to their initial one. So now if I want to search for female voice, I will just select female, and it's going to, you can see. So now I can play it and see if it's
Text to speech. OpenAI is a technology that
can you see it? If I want to use this, let me check this.
Text to speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text.
As you can see. So let's say I want to go with, let me check this middle age.
text to speech. OpenAI is a technology.
So depends on whichever one we want to use. Let me select this, and I'm going to click on create speech. So I'm going to click on create speech, and it's going to create. Now let's say it's being created. You can see it's okay, successful. Let's go to the history and see so you see the voice generated here. Once it's been done, you see the voice generated here. So now let's say I don't want to use this voiceover. I want to use dump voiceover. What we'll have to do is just to paste the text there. You see it here. I can just paste the text. Then these are the voiceover. You can see all this. They are paid, they are free. You see this one, you can use it if you wish to use it. Let's say I select this, you can play it. Let's wait for it to.
I want to use this medium to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel.
Can you see? You can use this voiceover or upload. Switch. Let me remove this. Let me delete it. Delete. Then I can just click on upload. So let's go to the TTS OpenAI. So this is it.
I want to use this medium to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel.
So that's it. I'm going to download it. Download. So now, then I will go back to dump. I will upload it. I'll upload my downloaded file. So this is it. Then open. You can see it have started uploading. Then after it's done, I'll click on generate token avatar. So it's telling me that I'm going to use 2.8 credits out of the 10 credits. Bring give it to me. I don't mind. I'll click on generate. So the generating will start. You see it now in less than 2 minutes. The generation will be done, and we'll download our video. So it depends on the kind of how many videos you want to create. You still repeat the process and you join them together in your video video editing app or software. You can use your phone, you can use your system, depending on whichever one. You can see it's writing processing. Just wait for it. In no time it will be done. So you can see this is the temporary email I use. Then after that, I head over to Leonardo AI, generate the image I want, and from there I upscale it on create.ai. You see, after upscaling it, I generate my voiceover, which is on ttsopenai.com. Then I head over to Dumptop, upload my image and my audio, and it starts processing to be done now. You see now this processing will soon turn to what's it called, to ready. So that is that. And with this thumbed up platform, there are a lot you can do there. Aside these, what's it called, you can see it's ready. Let's preview it.
Thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe.
So now next, let's download it. So I'm going to download it now. You see it at the top here. Okay, so can you see? So let's open it and see.
I want to use this medium to thank you all for watching.
As you can see, we have this dump logo here. So now follow my step. I'll be using CapCut to clean this thumbed up logo here. You can use your CapCut, you can use your phone, your system, any video editing software or platform. So now for me now, I'll just go what I just downloaded the video. I think I'll just go here and copy it, download. So this is it. So I'm going to put it here. Then the image we created, the one we upscaled, I'm going to take that one out as well. So this is the upscale image. So now just follow my step. I'm going to paste the video below. Then the image, I'm going to paste it at the top. Just hold on. So I'm going to paste the image at the top. So now I will drag it to the end of the video. That's 14:21 seconds. As you can see. So now what do I have to do? I'll go to mask. You make sure you click on the image, then you click on mask here, come to rectangle, then drag it to where the dump is. Then after that, just click on play. You click on play.
I want to use this medium to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please, if you are.
So then having done that, you click on exports. It's very simple. Then you export. So that is that. You can use any software, video editing software to get it done. So let's check it. Let's open it. Let's open our folder and see where is then open.
I want to use this medium to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel.
Can you see?
Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel.
That was how to get it done. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.
I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Make sure you like and follow our handle for more video like this. Before I go, check the description of this video, the image prompt, and all the websites used for this talking avatar are there.